A farmer planted wheat in a field which had a length of 24 by 5 meter and breadth 15 by 8 meter. What was the area in which the wheat was planted? So, a farmer planted wheat in a field. It had a length of 24 by 5 meter and it had a breadth of 15 by 8 meter. We have to find out the area. So area of a rectangle, as this field seems to be a rectangle and the length and breadth is only given, so we can assume that it is a rectangle. And how to find out the area of a rectangle? Its length multiplied by breadth. So the length is given as 24 by 5 meter. Breadth is given as 15 by 8 meter. We have to find out the area. So we can just write area equal to 24 by 5 multiplied by 15 whole 5 by 8. Now let us break them. So if we break 24 by 5, it's a mixed fraction. We have to convert it into improper fraction. So we can multiply the denominator with the whole number 20. That is 20 multiplied by 5 and then we add the numerator as we know. So plus 4 and the denominator remains as 5. It becomes 100 plus 4, that is 104 by 5. So we can write 104 by 5 over here. Next we have to convert 15 by 8 into improper fraction. In that case we do 15 times 8 and the answer is added to the numerator 5. The denominator is kept at 8. So 15 times 8 is 120. So 120 plus 5 by 8, that gives us 125 by 8. So in place of 15 by 8, we can write multiplied by 125 by 8. So now let's multiply 104 over 5 times 125 over 8. How to do the multiplication? We can cancel any numerator with any denominator. So by seeing the fractions, we can see the number 104 and the number 8. These two are even numbers. So these can be cancelled by 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10 and 2 times 2 is 4. So we can say 2 times 52 is 104. Again we can cancel this with 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times how much is 52? 2 times 26 is 52. Once more this can be cancelled. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 13 is 26. So finally in this numerator we can see 13 and the denominator is 1. So we can write 13 and in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. We could also do it in one go because 8 times 13 is 104. Same way, if we divide 5 and 125, so if 125 is divided by 5, the answer is 25. So 5 times 25 is 125 and 5 times 1 is 5. Now in the denominator, we have 1 multiplied by 1. So denominator will be 1 and in the numerator we have 13 that will be multiplied with 25. So if we multiply 13 with 25, it gives us 325. You can multiply and check. So by doing all this calculation we get 325. Now the unit of length is meter because we have seen length is given as 24 by 5 meter. Unit of breadth is also meter. But when we are finding the area says length into breadth. So in that case the unit will be meter into meter. Meter multiplied by meter can be written as square meter or we write it as SQ dot meter in short, or this is the symbol for meter square. This is the symbol for square meter. We denote this symbol like this, M and 2 on the top as a superscript and we call it meter square. So our answer will be 325 meter square because unit of area is meter square. Thus, in the end we can write the area in which the wheat was planted is 325 meters square.